Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can fix your PC did not start correctly on Windows 11. So when you first do this, you want to go to advanced option and the first button you want to click is called Startup Repair. This is an automatic program by Windows themselves that could fix all of your problems automatically. But in some cases, this might not work, right? You can also change the startup settings and you can also uninstall recently updated firmware if you'd like. If none of these three options work, you can do a system restore. It will basically bring your PC back to an earlier time, but you might lose some files because of this. The other method we can do is called a command prompt. Now I'm going to simulate how we can do this. When you click on command prompt, it will open up a window that looks like this, right? It will look exactly like this. Now, there's a couple of commands we can do. The first one is called system online cleanup image slash restore help. This could help your PC back to working order. If that doesn't work, you can also do this sf scan now. Just type this in sfc scan now. Click on enter, and then it will begin a process of system scan. Now, there is system repair pending, which requires reboot. I can restart window and then run SFC again. I'm not going to do this, but when you get this image, you can restart your PC and then it will repair your PC, right? You can also do some of these commands as well. Boot rec slash scan nose, boot rec slash fix MPR, boot rec slash fix boot, and boot rec slash rebuild PCD. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.